Hello and welcome to Spareka's YouTube channel. Today we will demonstrate in this video how to effortlessly maintain your washing machine, mainly by descaling with white vinegar, but also by checking the condition of your filters. So the first thing to do for proper maintenance of your device will be to descale it with white vinegar. So simply by choosing here my hottest program, so I'm going to go for a cotton program for example, I'm going to change the temperature to have, so here I have 95 degrees EC, which is almost boiling water, which indicates that the wash is going to be very, very hot. I am going to initiate my machine. Consequently, this particular type of machine initially performs an oil change process. So I can't directly put my white vinegar in the tank. I will first let the oil change that we can hear now. The drum will slowly start spinning and the water will begin to enter. From the moment the water enters, I will have my door safety engaged, which is already engaged. I won't be able to open my porthole anymore. I can put the white vinegar directly from the product tray here. So there he begins to turn. We will hear the water entering into the interior, so it will require some time. Once my water arrives, I can safely open my tank without the risk of water rejection from the outside environment. No need to worry. I'll add 2 liters of white vinegar to it. That should do the trick. So there you have it. Now we can hear the water coming in. Here we always see water in the product tray. I will be able to pour my 2 liters of white vinegar. Here we have put inside the 2 liters of white vinegar. I chose a program that was rather long, which is moreover more interesting. In this manner, the water and vinegar will stay at a high temperature for an extended period of time, which will truly enable us to eliminate limescale and dissolve the dirt that we have within. So I am going to let it run for a good little while. I am going to stop him before he gets his oil change. I will simply pause or directly on all devices. If we are not required to stop it in progress, unplug it. I will leave it off for a duration of 6 to 12 hours. In this way, I will have hot water and vinegar inside the system that will remain in all the pipes, eliminating all my tartar and dissolving all the leftover products. And I will be able to come and reconnect it afterwards. I'm going to restart it. It will finish its cycle, drain itself, rinse itself, and that way I will really have a really clean device from the inside and at the same time a tank that will be very shiny. So here I have my tank filled with water and white vinegar at a very high temperature, which has been running for a while now, so I'm going to stop it. I'm simply going to press pause on this model. It will keep in memory everything it has, and I'm going to leave it for 6 to 12 hours. You can easily do this in the evening before bed, start it, stop it when it's time to sleep, and the next morning start it again. That way you can be sure that it has really been working for a very long time, all night long, and you will find a completely clean device on the inside. So there you have it. We left our vinegar and hot water inside to rest and act on everything that was tart and detergent products inside for approximately 8 hours of uninterrupted soaking time. At this moment, I am able to press the play button. As a result, the machine will restart, complete its cycle, and we will be able to observe the current state of the machine, which is now completely descaled and thoroughly cleaned. Hear it. At present, we have the vinegar and hot water in the course of draining out completely. Now, we are going to proceed with an important step that is often forgotten for washing machine maintenance, which is to clean the gasket. The cuff can become clogged with laundry residues, which will create a greenish, somewhat black deposit. To eliminate the bad smell from your washing machine, always use white vinegar and a soft cloth. Apply white vinegar, ensuring it is wet but not excessive. Clean all around, removing any residues. Thoroughly clean the interior, exterior, and cuff using the cloth and your finger. This process will effectively eliminate the bad smell and maintain cleanliness. Remember to use white vinegar and a soft cloth for optimal results. Regular cleaning with white vinegar will prevent the buildup of unpleasant odors. By following these steps, you can ensure a fresh-smelling washing machine So don't forget to clean your machine regularly with white vinegar and a soft cloth to keep it smelling fresh and clean. So these are parts that we don't see, but they are often the most clogged parts of laundry products. And always delicately, I will come to clean. So be careful. A cuff is quite fragile. Avoid sponges. Avoid sponges like Spontex with a scraper on top. There you really risk making a hole inside your cuff. So we are going to do the final step of the maintenance of our washing machine. I'm going to check the status of my filter. Previously, we have already carried out a comprehensive cleaning of the tank and the drain pipe using hot water and white vinegar, ensuring thorough removal of all dirt and debris. I ought to automatically possess a reasonably clean filter, but I will still make sure to check it in order to ensure its cleanliness and proper functioning. I open my filter. I can see that his condition is rather not too bad. So it's pretty clean. I just have a little bit of lint here, but it's nothing. A little bit of dirt here, but it's not a big deal. Similar to the detergent compartment, you can easily place it in your dishwasher, run it with your dishes, and it will emerge fully clean. We will verify the status at this location. After performing the disc killing process, there is no grease that has accumulated inside the system. So I will be able to put my filter back in position and I will be able to close it. Here, we have just shown you in 3 easy steps how to perform a good maintenance of your washing machine. You should do this approximately every 2 to 3 months, depending on how frequently you use your washing machine. And naturally, if you have any queries about usage, technical aspects, or even maintenance, don't hesitate to leave us a comment below this video. We'll reply ASAP. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Sparkle YouTube channel. See you soon for more videos. Thank you.